Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on general. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, come here to Anki card menu, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's on here. That's mean Anki card menu disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.